Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video where I was the winner of a giveaway. So how exciting is that? So the giveaway was hosted by Tifly Designs, and this is Skeeta. I think that's how she says her name. And she is an awesome card maker, so you should check her out here on YouTube. She makes cards out of these card kits that are really nice, and I really enjoy watching her design. And then at the end she gives away the remainder of the card kit that she hasn't used, so I was a winner. So I've cut the bag open. I don't know exactly what's included, and I know the stamp set because I watched the video, but let's see what I got. She has it in this puffy bag. Turning it over this way because, oh my goodness, it keeps coming. It's coming, it's coming. Wow. Whoa. Some of it flew across the room there, across the table. Let's see. So she had a piece of cardboard in there supporting it. So let's start off with this Crystalline Drops by Gina K. I've never used these before, so that's exciting. And it doesn't even look like she used that. And then look, a little cute little baby distress ink. It's Speckled Egg, and it's from Tim Holtz Ranger. And this hasn't been opened either. And then I've got this really cute little girl rubber stamp die, and it looks like she's a strawberry, like she has a strawberry head, maybe like strawberry shortcake. I don't know. And then this really cute die, stamp, clear stamp, and it looks like a little deer. It is a little deer, and it says, "Love you dearly, hello dear, and you are so dear to me." And this is so cute. And then let's see, I've got this Inspired by Spellbinders, this die set of these really pretty fish. I love fish on cards and pictures, but I don't like fish in real life. I don't know, they creep me out. But these look like these would be really pretty. And then I received this wave die. This is by Your Next Stamp Set and .com, yournextstamp.com. And it's this wavy die. I like that. Wow, all kind of goodies. Oh look, and then this cute one, little stamp set. It's called Skating By, and it's the Alleyway Stamps Waddle Pals. Bring on the snow. Whee! That's adorable. And have a nice day. Have an ice day. So these are little penguins. This is so cute. I think I can actually color this because it wouldn't be a lot of colors involved. So it's cute. Oh, look at this one. This is the Alleyway Change, and it's a little piggy bank and penny for your thoughts. How cute! Oh, that's so cute. It says, make a change, and a dollar sign, and oh, this is really cute. Oh, and look at this little cute fry dies, and it's a casual Friday stamp, and it's a little, looks like a little floral. Gosh, I'm looking down at the stuff so closely. I'm not paying attention if I'm in the camera view or not. Sorry if I haven't been. Oh, and these really pretty stickers for alphabets. It's really pretty. Cursive writing, which, nobody does hardly today. And these really cute cat stamps. Oh, my goodness. Let's get something so you can see these. These look cute in my planner. Look how tiny they are. Adorable. I'm not sure this was all in stamp kit, but oh, and then here's the dogs, the little puppies. Look. Adorable. Adorable. Look at that one right there. So cute. And then she sent me a card. Oh, she sent me a Christmas card. says season's greetings. Happy holidays. Hope you and your family are well. Look at that pretty card. It's really nice. And then I got some deco foil. There's foil transfer sheets. Simon Says stamp. Looks like different colors. It's just a bronzy and it's like a teal in there. Oh, it says on copper, bronze, gold, jade, or rose gold. So let's see what was left over in the kit. And it looks like, I don't think I've ever used this either. This is hard to get out. I might have to show this a later date. Oh, that bronze is really pretty. And then the teal, no, and then the copper. I thought it was teal, but it's just some left. Is that a piece? Yeah. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty. And then it looks like she sent another card. This is so cute. Oh, it's the leftover sending cozy vibes. This is really nice. And then this little acetate. Look at that little deer. Is that a deer? Yeah. And I don't know what that thing is called right now. I can't think. Hedgehog? I don't know. And then the card bases. It's really pretty color. And then last but not least, I believe, yeah, it's the stamp set. Oh, how nice. And this is the Big Thanks Autumn by Simon Says Stamp. And I love daisies. Not daisies, but sunflowers. Or daisies, I guess. And this is really nice. Look at that bird. So this is my winnings. And I think this was really awesome. Not at all what I expected. So thank you so much, Skeeta. And you guys just please check out her channel. She is a really awesome card designer. And I really do appreciate it. And guys, thanks for watching. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.